CRISP is a College of Engineering-wide center. It stands for the Center for Resilient Infrastructures, Systems and Processes. It's really a center which is dedicated to creating resilient systems. And these systems could be cyber systems, cyber physical systems, or it could be built infrastructure like buildings or bridges. So the center is meant to lay out what are the design principles for you to build these kinds of resilient systems, what are the operational principles so that you can operate these systems in a reliable manner, and then what kinds of mechanisms can you put in these systems so that if they do fail, then they can bounce back very quickly. So those are the three aspects of resilience that we look at in those three kinds of systems. So it involves myself as the director. We have faculty colleague Milind Kulkarni in EC as the associate director, and Jitesh Panchal in mechanical engineering as the other associate director. And then we have three trust leads corresponding to a cyber physical trust, a built infrastructure trust, and an optimization trust. So the cyber physical system trust is led by Felix Lin, a faculty colleague in ECE. The one on built infrastructure is led by Srini Pita, who is a faculty in civil engineering. And the one on optimization is led by Gesualdo Scutari, who is a faculty member in industrial engineering. The overall goal is we want to be at the forefront of laying out what are the practical design methodologies for building resilient systems. We want to be at the forefront of laying out what are the sort of the rules of building these kinds of resilient systems. And we also want to be involved in laying out standards, protocols, which the whole larger world can then adopt. And we of course are doing this in a very cooperative manner. We have about 20 affiliate faculty members across the various schools within the College of Engineering, because by its nature, resilience can mean so many different things depending on which kind of a system you are talking about. So we've made this very conscious decision to not narrow ourselves down, but really have a fairly well diverse group of faculty members in terms of the disciplinary strengths within this center.